Hello everybody, my name is Quadarius Whitson and I'm a senior here at JSU majoring in family consumer science with concentrations in dietetics and culinary management.
Hi, my name is Samantha Rhodes. I'm a junior and my major is hospitality and culinary management.
And today we're going to be making barbecue chicken with green beans and sweet potatoes.
That you can make in your dorm.
And it's super easy in a rice cooker. Alright, first we're going to start off with our chicken. So you can use any cut of chicken that you like. We have some drumsticks right here, so you can use any thighs, breasts, whatever's convenient for you. And we're gonna start off by seasoning it. So right here, we have our garlic, salt, and onion powder. We're just gonna pour it in right here. Next we have some paprika. Pour it in there. Onion powder, sorry. We have some pepper. And finally have some rosemary. So what we're gonna do is get in with our hands and mix it all together. Make sure all the chicken is evenly seasoned.
Make sure you wash your hands first.
Yes, very important part. Always wash your hands first. All right, I think our chicken is good and seasoned and combined. So next, what we're gonna do is take some of this barbecue sauce. You can use any barbecue sauce that you would like. This is Great Value Original. We're just gonna pour it in there. We're gonna do the same thing with our seasoning. We're gonna combine it all together. The reason we're not pouring that in there is just so we don't want to pour too much and accumulate too many juices, okay? So now what we're gonna do is, we can get the spray. And we're gonna get the spray. And we're gonna spray the bottom of the rice cooker just so it won't stick. And now, we're just gonna place each piece of chicken in the bottom of the rice cooker. I'm gonna place a small piece of foil on top of the chicken.
Now we're gonna make green beans. So we're just gonna take the green beans and some black pepper. Garlic sauce. Put your pat of butter in. Mix around a little bit. Then you're going to stick it in the foil. Now you're going to wrap it in the foil and then place on top of the chicken. Okay, so now that you got your chicken and green beans in the pot and you've cleaned up and washed your hands, you're going to take your sweet potatoes and you're going to put them on top. And then you're going to put your lid on and make sure that's on tight. And you're going to set it for an hour. And if your rice cooker doesn't have a timer on it, you can just set it on your phone and keep an eye on it. Okay, so after an hour, when your timer goes off, just keep going. Be careful, it might be hot. The green beans turned out really good.
Oh, this chicken. Super tender, very moist.
It just falls off.
That's some real good chicken.
Okay, and that is how you make barbecue chicken in a rice cooker. Check out #JSU FCS for more recipes.